With school starting in a couple of weeks for most public schools, parents have their checklists of everything they need to get their students ready. Emma McDarris spoke with members of the Springfield-Greene County Health Department, where kids can get the required back-to-school shots at a clinic.
The Greene County Health Department is urging parents to get ahead of the back-to-school vaccination rush.
As soon as you are able to reach out and make those appointments so that you can help prepare and kind of lessen that last-minute stress.
Vaccinations are a must for students entering kindergarten, 7th, and 8th grade, and they can be a stressful item to check off the list. Many health departments are making it easier through the Vaccines for Children program, which provides free shots for uninsured or underinsured students.
Cost should not be a barrier to obtaining health care. So we are very lucky that we are able to participate in this program and be able to provide vaccine to families that may otherwise have barriers to that access.
Some providers are going even further. Jordan Health hosts Start Strong events on weekends and offers extended hours so families can get everything done in one visit without parents having to take time off work.
It's wonderful that we can do it on the weekend.
For you to be able just to come to one place and get everything that you need in one day, you're really going to help the parent and the child both.
If your child is nervous about shots, there are simple ways to help.
If they love to read, bring a book. If a tablet is something that they're passionate about, bring that. Just something to distract, but honesty and letting and communicating with your child on what to expect can really help alleviate some of those fears and anxieties.
Check with your local health department or provider to find resources near you. Many back-to-school events offer immunizations on site. Cox Health currently has its Care Mobile set up at Cox North for vaccine appointments through the end of the month. In Springfield, Emma McDarris, KY3 News.